Nothing beats subscribing to the VYO podcast. Survive depression. And your toxic co-worker.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
boys and girls,
boys and girls, welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yolana ethi po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just hit home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can come any day. You can come and we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
Nothing beats subscribing to the VYO podcast. Survive depression. And your toxic co-worker.
So June is
Oh my days.
men's health, mental awareness month.
Bro, men are so cooked, we don't even know our own months.
Yabo.
You know, women's...
Shall I go Mother's Day every month, bro?
Mother's Day,
Women's
Girlfriend's
Day.
Month.
Girlfriend's month.
The girlfriend's
You're playing you.
Boyfriend's
Girlfriend's
Day.
Day. Asas.
vele information eprivy to abantu abajolajolayo.
Yeah.
Ngezwa kuthiwa i-Mother's Day is the most celebrated holiday after Christmas and New Year.
It's real. Do you get me?
Kula
Mother's
International
Day,
Mother's
Girlfriend's
Day. Kula
International.
Mother's Day eZimbabwe.
Kule egoli, but egoli celebratewa. It's song. eZimbabwe. It's song.
That's it now.
It's
Utshela
song.
ukubona lawana
Do you
abajela
get me,
uma
bro?
confused nge-UK la. Ukuthi
Ngiyetsonke.
mayikhona umbone la esefakile.
Women's Day, Girlfriend's Day. We are so
Father's
cooked.
Day kanti nini ka?
Asquaz, we know it's around the corner.
Seduzane kodwa.
Second Sunday of June.
Are you a father?
Yes.
That's how you know.
No, I'm not a father. Ngingudate. There's a difference.
Udate gay.
I thought it ngoyichere yakho.
Umntana uthi udate wami.
Okay.
Shout out to you, present dads. Really, I've been saying it.
Do you
Shout out present dads.
do you think men are judged harshly as compared to women? That's why.
Of course, as they should.
Why? In a world where we're saying that
I
we're
I think
fighting
being
for
held to a higher standard is a privilege. Number one. Number two, isn't as realistic as amanye pressures that men are given are under rather not, they're not realistic, bro. You can't be 25 dating a 22-year-old who wants you to provide on the level of a 45-year-old. It's not realistic. It's the pressure that's there. We're not saying it's not there. It's there. We know it. We have it. We've seen niggas going to date for girlies. We've seen niggas going to date for other niggas. Because of just the pressure yokuthi mina ngila.
Mina nginguzibani bani?
Mina ngila, bro. Amajita ayesaba to live their truth. Gents are just genuinely just scared to say, my gents, mina lokhu zangehlula. Hey Milo, let's go out. Milo, you have in your pocket there's 5 mar. But you say let's vibe.
yeah.
Hey, check is one phela kulenye deal later phela kuyi-50 and then but you're just scared to say chance mina ngini.
Namhla-ke
Why? I think kuvele into enizokukhombisa. Rejection is something that gents have failed to live with. You're scared to get rejected, you're scared to fail. Failure is another chat on its own. Into danger, but these things, ziba, like I said, they become their own thing.
Lama sayings esakhula ngawo indoda ayikhali inyembezi zendoda ziwele esifubeni ziphelele esifubeni.
Yakwazi lapho embona khona futhi ukuthi this is quite a sensitive topic for the guys. Yabona seli calm njani nxa lixoxa.
Lithi likhuluma
Mina, it's not even about being calm for me. It's
there's a lot of things that happen unfairly, but on a moral basis, it's not okay to talk about them. I'll give you an example. Do you think a man should have the right to opt out of fatherhood? I mean, umfazi can opt out of motherhood.
Jesus, boy is cooking.
Yeah.
By aborting. That's her right. She has it solely. But when as a man, do you think you should imagine a world where there is a law? All right, if a woman decides to keep a baby, the child
Just
is
clean it.
entirely her responsibility.
Lapha sengikhuluma maybe
Yeah, ne?
le maybe mhlambe so toxic masculinity.
No, I'm not.
No, ukhulumela yena.
Izinto.
Yazi toxic masculinity osikhuluma ngayo ngizakutshela later ukuthi i-definition yona leyo yenza ayisiyo the original one.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. But
Ngithi mina na yikho ngithe mhlambe sokuzathiwa toxic masculinity. But I think a lot of the things, especially abortion engela ukuthi udlwenguliwe, is you trying to run away from the consequences of your actions. Into le consequence my chance.
Fertilization is not
Ungalala lo
theoretical,
muntu,
bro.
It's either uzagula uzamithisa
Ungayenza
or
kokene
All
likwenza.
right, Zwana.
yabo. And so I'm saying this to say yakwazi ukuthi
Can I hold you on consequences?
Sure.
Right? Mina angikho in the justification of abortion or consequences. Auntie. I'm saying between the man and the woman, the only person that has the option or the privilege to decide whether I'm going to face this consequence or not is the woman. So I'm saying, should that right also be afforded to a man? Saying, Uguti, should you keep a child, that child is going to be your responsibility 100%. Because advently, in a way, we get to tackle things like people umuntu achazwe nguwe and then you decide to umithela wena.
No, but
because these are things that I was
And when
trying to
umntwana
stress.
umfuni.
No, no,
And
no.
that time when
Gents,
umntwana umfuni.
let's factor in futhi ukuthi i-biology eyenzakala after kumithisana ukuthi mbano who has to bear most responsibility.
That's what I was coming to.
Owakho ezumjida kulula vele iprocess yona lana for yena kuwa izange ibe
Alingizwa majani.
Mina ngiyakuzwa.
sizama ukuthi sizwanane andami ngizama ukuchasisa
You're being very ndebele right now.
because I am wena uspread $100 la yikuyini okudlula ukudebele
Uthethe kumbe akuba.
angwazi wathinka kimi sabona plan angiyithengela ukudla vele lo after la
Yazi
yabo
Sesikwazi ukuthi le mali.
yazi into ade ngiyikhulumela nje kanti. There's a lot of gents, they probably won't say this. This is why I mentioned it like from a moral perspective. And there's a lot of gents that are keeping children that they didn't want.
Of course, and
First
it
place.
eats away at you.
It sucks, bro.
no but okunye bro
Irresponsibility, like I say.
guys okunye if
So
we're being practical
when we
Milo.
get to that, we're talking about men's mental health. This is where I was going. There's things like that are happening to men. And there's also rights that are afforded to women that are not afforded to men. For example, I'll give you alimony. You guys know what alimony is, right?
Yes.
Alimony. When you and I were married,
Nitaba.
and
Nishadil.
wena
I'm just kidding.
kubeka bro when
well,
we and I were married.
depends on which country colonized you. There's spousal support and whatnot, whatsoever. After maintenance, yabantwana, there's an amount that you have to pay to your wife because you guys were married.
Yes.
Okay.
You don't pay that to your husband.
In the States, I'm sure.
Now, in some places,
I know,
bakhangela ukuthi ole mali kulo munye
Mbani,
ngubani.
yes.
But I doubt
in the
ukuthi-
States sebekufaka, but it's not as widespread as it is.
But my
emafazini.
gents,
But yabona
I understand.
Mina-
I'm trying to give you a perspective of ukuthi
ukuthi
there's a system already that makes things harder for men.
but asi
yes, it
okunye-
makes things easier for women.
Yes.
lalela nini my gents ukhulume ngokuthi ukhulume
Prize
ngokuthi
ngani sikhuluma nguye. Kanti mdala ukhulisa umntwana ongamfuniyo. a lot of fathers won't tell us, and but
Doti.
I
understand.
Is very
Balalelanini.
okay. Yes.
Mina laba sengikhuluma njengento uthe ngikhuluma njengendebele and izakhuluma njengendebele bro. You are saying kulamajita amaningi agcina abantwana bangasobaba.
Not abangasobaba.
Not
we haven't gotten to that.
Yeah, sisazofika futhi
Labana
kule.
siyafika, siyafika.
Yachisa but siyafika.
I'm not talking about abantwana.
Abangabafuniyo. Yabo. Pari gents. Let's be realistic. Ladies and gentlemen.
Boys
and girls.
No, boys.
Boys and girls. Wonke umuntu la siyakwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani bro. Abantu bangayenza izinto zocansi bangala protection. It's not like into lana Jackie we are as a surprise kuwena ukuthi wena wenza into iyenzileyo umntana abantu wamitha all of a sudden wena awusafuni. The fact that wena uqalisile vele process leya
Price maybe when I think when I maybe we're doing is when I use a price uthi
yakwazi umayile ukhulumelana ukhulumela ukuthi okay kusasele option yokuba safe ukuthi okay are you ready to be a parent? No. Am I ready to be a parent? No. Right.
But liyaheva bro.
Anyadi.
Kun.
Anyadi.
This is why I was speaking to
okay, Jake.
It's what do you factor in responsibility, bro?
Because it's part of mental health. A part of, do you know what, bro?
Omanyama situation iyazifaka chomlami.
Ivari dog and maybe that's why much damanye depressed. You don't want to live your truth and be honest with yourself. The most mile. Let me tell you, dog. Here's the life. Here is the life. 1v1. You saw a Betty, you liked her. Sharp, you guys had damage. Sharp. This girl gets pregnant. You can't then start saying, but me, I don't want this child. You don't have that privilege, Milo. It's unfortunate. That's just how the world works. We can't explain it. It is what it is. You do not have that privilege.
And she has it.
Yes, she has it. It's unfair, but unfortunately.
Any problem things that are unfair to men, we say it's unfair, but that's how the world works.
Because it is.
No, but it
is, dog.
Which is
that is the reality. Mani Magents, a part of this it is what it is.
So then why in the first place are we discussing men's?
Why in the first place you're approaching Betty's and having raw sex?
I'm saying, why in the first place are we having this discussion if we are going to end, if the conclusion is going to be...
It's not even the conclusion.
It's not the conclusion.
Factor in the responsibility that comes with being a man. Wena mile uthe uhamba usiya lala lo mntwana wabantu ungasebenzisi ijazz.
What is singer?
Yes, but it's also it's the onus is on you to say, you know what? I don't want to have a kid. I'm gonna wear this jazz.
Exactly.
The onus is on you to say, okay.
Amajazz mabi kule jazz kaMalikazana futhi anjela kasi.
Yeke lokho ngiyakuzwa. Mina ngithi hamba othela from khona. Nxa kuyikuthi
but khona kuyana ukuthi
right. Now uthe wena uthini? Hamba njani
liqoke wena.
Right. Now I think I can explain the point kaMilo kuhle. Ukuthi anjabo uthi responsibility singekabani. Responsibility singekamjita. Anjo.
Your timer.
I am a timer.
That's why.
I'm a timer.
Okay, my gents, nyali Milo. It's not like
yena wayengabuyanga. All right. Right, ukuthi right. Now, who controls access to sex?
The baby.
Huh?
Who controls access to
sex?
Yes, the baby. Uchir.
Exactly. Right. Kipu if I will eat.
Oh damn, yeah, no, hey, phrasing, Harry. The girls, the woman, the female, right? Continue, please.
I consent is katesning mbanola.
Lonke.
But ngenxa yokuthi wena ngofuna.
The fact is but ansile kompa.
No, consent
futhi price
is another chat.
Mele ukuthathe ngokuthi sometimes kuba different.
Wena phela nxa ungafuni Hey, but that's another
Zwanini.
chance.
No.
Exactly. I've trapped you well. I've trapped you well.
Fraser guy.
Sengikutrappile. Right.
Usifake emlenzeni ma-
Uyabona. Yindawo nale consent yona le. Yabo. Athi Jake mina vele angifuni le jazz yangilimaza phakathi.
Chia phela irresponsibility
That's what I'm
layo.
saying. The onus is on you.
Right.
Guys, we are really. I think very my point didn't land here.
No.
My point.
Milo.
I
your
will
problem
allow
is
import
now
la.
we're not agreeing with you. You assume.
No,
I
I'm
lay
not
the
saying
point.
you guys should agree. I understand fully.
You come
Auntie,
city mina.
What comes within to us? All I was saying was, Jake.
It's unfortunate. It's it's
Uti,
unfair.
The man doesn't have the choice when it comes to
course.
those things, and these are some of the things that depress men. Hence, what we're talking about right now, men's mental health. I can guarantee you, there's a lot of niggas besides that are keeping babies that they didn't want in the first place, and that's a stain for the rest of your life until you die, my nigga, or until the kid dies first.
Because
Here's what I'm
okunye
saying.
Yabona-
Yazi ukuthi mina ngithini majensi.
We understand. So
Mina kule
the
nto
conversation is
ngizokhuluma
not
kakhulu.
about the conversation is not about the consequences. The conversation is about a choice that was not afforded to a man.
No, but the choice yangikhona bro uyenza.
Milo.
Mana onsela. Milo.
Yazi ukuthi ngithini mina.
Ngicanga ngikhuluma fast ingakhohlwa mina akhohlwa masinyane.
Sure.
Bro. Kube sithi sifuna kube fair ukuthi lawo as a gent you get to decide ukuthi kwenzakalani after umuntu ese pregnant. Ama repercussions, biological repercussions abuya ngokuzithwala komuntu Milo. Umntwana wena awumphathi ngesisu sakho wena Milo wena. Ipain ukuthi wena alright uthi sharp sokufair sesifuna kube fair lami ngifuna ukuthi umntwana kanjani like angimfuni umntwana lo
Mitha lawo.
mitha phela lawo yabo but yawanti iburden yokuthi umuntu amithe bro iya emfazini that's why ilokuze nini
Point.
Le very point
decision
ayikho
enjalo
Zwana.
izahamba komfazi
Point yami
kakhulu
inje mine. Sure.
You understand what he's trying to say? Uthi yena, if a girl says, I cannot have this baby because I'm at school, auntie,
You can't have you don't have that
A
option.
man should also be able to say,
I
we
don't
cannot have this baby because I'm financially unstable.
Gentlemen, here's my Do you know what I'm saying? I'm saying I hear you and I hear him. Ngiyalizwa mina, ngilizwile. There's a lot of things that should happen. Unfortunately, in the world we
You
live in,
can't say that, Lance, because
hard to talk.
to say unfortunately
It's unfortunate.
this is like this, then there is no point of a discussion over it.
Mina ngithi, hear me. I'm not saying let's speak on things that we're not going to change this week. I'm saying, ngiyalizwa. But my chat is this. Boys, because for you it's chai, for him it's chai. For the guys that are going through it because they have kids that they didn't want, it's chai. Ngeshwa.
Because I think let's discuss cool on this point because this
Yes.
point was supposed to be used as an example.
Yes.
And-
Mina, here's my chat. Gents, make smarter choices.
and equal I mean like equal
That's all I'm
bro
saying. The onus is on you, bro. Ngiya understand amachita siyaponyelwa. It is what it is.
Because
But
wena
make smarter
Milo
choices, Milo.
ukuthi vele ipower yena leyana ukuthi thina sithi kuzaba fair
Asilayo.
asiyithe esibathwala
And in the
abantwana bro.
meantime, we're not saying akumelanga sibe layo.
Kumele ube layo
But
vele.
kathesi asilayo.
I feel what you much.
Yabona now using your statements elikhuluma ngakho that's the very thing that affects the mental
Amajita,
health
yes,
of
of amajita,
umjita.
ukuthi asilayo.
Now kathesi seli understand with your own points.
No.
It's
The mistake you
man,
guys are making is assuming ukuthi
it's not a
besingalizwa.
mistake. No.
And it's
it's not what you are assuming, and it's how you guys were landing.
No.
Okay.
Yabona
Yeah.
bro.
It's how you guys were
Mhlambe
landing.
the thing was in
yabona isimo
communication.
bro.
Yeah.
Ngiya-understand ama-gents ukuthi akukho fair vele akukho fair into mina dinga i-factor in bro i-responsibility ebuya lento yonke yona leyo okade ule choice wena and to begin
Ukuyenza.
bro
Check. Lokho kwe-choice lani siku-understand sathi yes we see that.
you didn't say you see that
Ngithe asilize.
so
And
wena
Tina,
vele
we were saying
yikwade ngizama
the other
ukuchasisa
factor,
all this
Milo,
time
Tina, that we were saying is in saying we want to talk about men's mental health, it's very important to hold the men accountable. We can't say you were irresponsible, but like vele it's not fair. And then because it's not fair, it justifies the fact that you were irresponsible. We have to hold each other accountable.
But again,
But do you know which is
Yeah, but again, asile abantwana so.
All right.
Ngeke
So
sikhulume into esingayazi.
I-example le ngiyayizwa. But do you know ukuthi most of izinto ezidepressa ama-gents asozinto ezenza babhonyela? It's the other thing. Iyakwanisa ukuthi umjida ingavuki and you get depressed. And
Yeah, of
because
course.
you're depressed,
Yeah.
udepresswa yini? Ulama responsibilities abuye kuwe ungakhangelelanga. I know of a guy, Anju, akala mntwana, Anju, ngibo bathembe yena. But two of his younger sisters and one older brother, bonke balabantwana and abasebenzi. Yena kakabe lo mntwana. And bakhangelele, yabona khona khani ukuthi you were raised in a family lana ukuthi liyancedisana. Now lisancedisana, suncedisa. Yabo, uyabhonyelwa sikhathi bani?
Vele ngeke vuke.
I-girlfriend yakho uzayibona sikhathi bani uplane owakho umntwana. Because already you have got 5 kids that you have to look after before ukhangela owakho. Yabona. And kule example engike ngayenza ukuthi someone once said if ama problems akudepressayo awakho they are financial. Uwaplanele kuhle. Hustle. Find a way. It might take 2 days, it might take 2 years, but it might take 5 years. But give yourself time to sort it. Mbijana. Akusoze kulunge khonapho. But if you set your mind to it, okay, into lenza ilungise. I-problem yemali iyalungiseka. It's only a matter of time and the strategy sokuthi uzayenza njani. Nxa kuyikuthi into lana yokuthi even money can't fix it. Ngene church. Khuleka. Khuluma lo nkulunkulu. Because omunye uzowambuza wathi, how many times do you tell people your problems compared to how many times you tell God your problems? Ngicini cheka na mali check. Ngicini cheka uyayilahla. Usuku waguqa yini wathi uNkulunkulu anamali.
Yawazi ukuthi my argument has been throughout this chat to say we really need to start having honest conversations about being honest to ourselves as amachita talk. Nxa inkinga yakho i-financial, it means you don't have the room to go, mina ngeke ngasebenza lapha. If your problems are financial, it means you don't have the room to go, ne price I can't help. I can't ask for help from Uprice. You're not that guy. At least not yet. You literally, you have to lose. Figure go rock bottom. And then God takes it from there. You have to strip yourself away. And what that means is you be honest with yourself. Be honest with yourself. Tell yourself, okay, my gents, I can't find a job. Let's start there. Don't tell us about the system. Yeah, I've very corruption. You go to Maluma, my connections. No. Aula mates. Kala konap. Do you get me? Young kingers, be honest with yourself. It's very easy to blame everything else but you. It's much easier. You know? I didn't make it to the interview on time because masad. You knew you had an interview. When I tell last night. Do you get me? The onus is on you. It's on you. It will always be on you. Why? Why?
Ndoda slow is recorder, Papa.
At the end of the day, Milo, why I'm saying it's on you is because impilole ngiyakho.
Understand one thing, Jay. Do you know what you for
Ngeke uMilo la akakhuluma sithule
for
kakhulu.
a guy to
Umelo sengiqeda umoya, Jake.
Yawazi kunjani nje? I hear you. La ngiyakuzwa. But uyabona the way that you think like someone that is a part of a system that was designed to make men not have room to feel certain things. You're saying you're gonna tell a guy what I see, look inward. Awula mates. umuntu odinga umsebenzi wokuba sorry, excuse me. Umuntu khathesi ma umtshela ukuthi hamba odinga umsebenzi and God damn.
Into ehichayo nami ngeke ngangenelwa umunye umthimulo la.
Kanti laba abagadayo laba bafaka.
Surveillance.
Mbawa sha.
Anyway, sharp.
Sorry for another thing.
Sebe disturb ama hustles it.
So mina I was saying ukuthi you're going to tell a guy I see look inward. The I want to ungabi the mates one, it's not your only problem. And when you are saying it's a start. When we're saying we're looking at men's mental health, we're not looking at what the man has. We're looking at expectations and what that guy can produce. You understand? Under normal circumstances, ukuthi wena awula mates and it shouldn't be where the road ends for you. You should have options to do something else that doesn't involve mates. But now, regardless of all of those circumstances that you are facing, you are in a society that's expecting you to perform.
Regardless.
Yeah. So that's what this conversation should be about. Uguti, why is the bar set so high for men such that when as a man, you can take the bare minimum from a woman? You'll never, for starters, when you're dating a girl, the first thing that you look at will never be how much she earns, what she drives, what she dresses. Genuinely, men can love unconditionally. Versus how your love, you have to get it conditionally. If you are a good friend, you are a friend that can lend those banibani $1,000 just by them asking. If you are a good husband, you're a man that can provide endlini kudliwa isinkwa esilamaqanda. So because in my household kudliwa amaqebelengwane, I'm less of a man than umgcini. So this is where the conversation begins. Why is the bar set so high for men? You understand?
But I think okunye lapha you're still touching on the financial aspect here, cousin. Of ama gents ukuthi isikhathi eziningi why besiba depressed. Because if you realize, like, umuntu can have $1 million live in a mansion but still be depressed. As a man. Yabo. Kulezinye izinto zokuthi, like, a guy finds himself in a position yokuthi, who do I go to? Ngiyatshela bani? Yabona. For example, libonile post ka MT
Ekhala.
yes.
Echinga ngomfazi. Umbe chingelwa ngumfazi yoso.
Yabona, the first assumption is ubeching. But ube ngaching. Ube khuluma.
No,
Right,
ngithi
for
umfazi echingelwa MT.
Yeah, for context, and MT posted on was it Twitter or Instagram? People always resort to he doesn't bath to boost their egos. I have 2 bathrooms. How am I not bathing? Maybe I'm just ugly, say the mother of my kids. I know you're tired of me posting statements. Sadly, this is serious beyond measure. I get beaten up by Nicole Kindle multiple times, and I know y'all will laugh at me and call me all the names in the... Okay, but it's cool. God got me. She threw away my Bible because she's satanic. Now she wants me killed because I caught her. I need help, not financially. Fuck this game. Not financial or any of that dumb shit. I have scars from this girl for years. She's been fucking even people I grew up with. Now, ujela umfazi. Ngapha umfazi yakuchaya. Uhambe report emaphoyiseni.
Izinto
amanje does face yabona.
Yeah. Imali yonkulayo Jake.
It goes back phela to what I was saying, and ukuthi the bar has been set so high for men such that it's not within anyone's expectations for a man to even talk about something like this. Ukuthi hayi mina ngachaywa whatsoever. The idea bayinhlekisa.
What do you think is the reason for that?
I also don't know. I don't know why the bar is set so high for men. I do not know.
Do you think it's other men?
I understand. I don't know.
To some extent.
To some extent, it is other men.
Because I think some men find comfort in downgrading other men.
I was about to say sorry kukubamba. I was about to say ukuthi time it becomes a question of identity. To say as a man, what am I? And what is manhood for me? Not for the society, not for my friends. What is manhood for me? Do you get me? Does me being a man mean ukuthi I must have money? If I have money, then I'm a man. If not, then it goes back to Intoka Price. Find what you believe in. Find a framework that works for you. Isinto sakho zithi indoda kuyini. Nxa kuyisiKristu, isiKristu sakho zithi ubundoda buyini. And you live ngalawo ma principles.
For me now, what I will say is, you touched on something that's very important. Ukuthi, a lot of gents are not honest with themselves. I understand. I've been, as an entertainer, you get exposed to a whole lot of spaces. And my preferred drink is Black Label, yenginatha. Masla machita singahlanganisa $1 sakwanisa ukuthenga 2 cases gwejisena. That's the same character I carry wherever I go. This. Ask anyone, they'll tell you. Even for you hospitality right I am as a teacher, I'll just tell them funny Viceroy the Coke. Because that's what I drink. You get me? I don't exist. I don't force myself to exist in a space where which is so to as China 30 whatsoever. So now when you put yourself in those spaces a lot, it will depress you. Why? Because you feel like you're being outperformed by other people.
Because you're not living your truth.
You're not living your truth. So iplan kaNkulunkulu can be ukuthi umgcini uzaba ngonjwathi azazabe the 45.
Bese siqala khona.
Maybe your big break is going to come to you when you're 50.
But when you force a big break.
KFC, one of the biggest conglomerates in the world, bro.
The guy was 15.
The guy was 60 or something when the entire thing blew up.
Even McDonald's.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
So it's like not saying people should have faith blindly, but I think when you are honest with yourself, you are going to be the happiest man on earth when God's timing finds you.
Quick question to you, to the floor.
Before ubuze umbuzo wakho dog. Yabona Milo Harris sisivumelana. Yipoint that enzama ukuthi like maybe nxe ayiphumanga ngendlela esharp yabo. Ngiunderstand ukuthi like lingantoli wrong ngithi amajita understand ukuthi system vele ayikho fair. System ayikho fair vele for amajita. But seeing vele ukuthi system ayikho fair and ngibuzile ngathi why do you think it's like that? What you don't know? Showing ukuthi vele system I messed up and that's lama solutions. But thina singamajita
knowing what we know.
I-control esilayo guys you factor in irresponsibility ade ngikhuluma ngayo. Irresponsibility ukuthi ngiyabona ukuthi ngingenza lapha. Ngiza ngena amanzi i-system yona le vele isi-messed up and ngicine sengala choice vele because ngiyakwazi ukuthi i-system le ayifavor umuntu ongomjita. Yabo?
Uyakwazi ukuthi
yizi izinto like i-discussion yethu mfisa ibe khona apho ukuthi alright sharp ma gents i-system vele messed up and amajita azibulala amaningi izinto ziyamoshakala but yini practical la esiqaleni la esingayenza ukuthi
ikho phela lapho ngifuna ukufaka khona the question yona le ngifuna ukuyifaka ezasigayida ukuthi sisuka lapha sisiya ngapha nje because all the problems that you are highlighting, most of them, you are still going back to one problem, ele easy solution, over the financial breakthrough. But the problems, all of them, they're not financial. Ngize nganika example of someone who's financially stable, right? And still depressed, right? So, are you saying ukuthi most of the problems that people are facing right now are financial? Abenza babe depressed.
No.
If not, what are the other problems? Then, if we have both financial and non-financial problems, okay, how can we help for those issues that are not financial? Because our financial are stable. Let's hook each other up sithole isibani silungise. Know your truth, ungaphili impilo ongayikwanisiyo kudlule. But
I feel like
lapho financial.
I feel like point ethu adiswa razor.
Avengers.
We are not blaming finance and we're not making all these problems about finance. Ungananzelela sikhuluma nge-society, sikhuluma nge-system esiveli khona. In as much as kuzabhoda kubuyele emalini, but we are saying thina vele singamadoda sinja. The reason why u-MT ezakhala athi i-problem yama isimali. Akusimali vele i-problem.
But
society
has made it okay.
Indlela abantu abaviwa ngayo izinto. And manje sithi abantu, we're not saying women because
you can
awumelanga kube
other men.
Even lathi sinje so indlela esifika ngayo ezinye izinto sometimes we see like siyahleka umuntu yathutshwa nge-situation yakhe
nale ngumfazi
majensen desiki
wenze
utshela umayilo
ukuthi lesiki yathi hlangana la etown ithi sika bayishiye
sika marez
yabo mina the reason why I keep dwelling on you knowing yourself is yazi ukuthi a lot of the things that affect you are based off of your principles. Someone said, if you don't tell the world who you are, the world will tell you who you are. That's why when you go through your phone, because you don't know who you are. Inhliziyo yakhe yadabuka. You lie. But when
you part 2.
No, part 2.
Yeah, long part 2.
So, but when you know,
when umayile sneaker amabhenga bro. Umayile sneaker 2 episodes.
Bro, mina nginatha i-black. Nginatha i-black. Lokho kwevev labo heni can't give me pressure because I know the kind of person that I am. But if you don't know what you are anchored in to say, mina I can't groove endlini ungela 5. If you know those things, then you'll know ukuthi I can't spend this kind of money ngichaya imali ye-transport because you know your identity uyazazi. And I'm not talking about ngikhuluma. This is why I'm saying I understand what Milo was saying, but I was saying a lot of the answers that you are looking for are inward.
Okay.
And if you don't have them, whatever framework you believe in,
awungasibiseli labana nje because I will gladly go.
Ngifuna ukubuza umbuzo according to what you say.
Sure.
You said most of the problems and that you think they are inward.
Yes.
They are based off your principles. Ama principles amathi angichayi umfazi. Umfazi yangichaya. So I must go against my principles and chaya umfazi ngibe right. Exactly, that's the thing. That's where my chat is. You can baleka le financial. I'm using your statements to ask you.
Just ukuthi into lezi ngizilinganisa. Uprice yazi uthini? Uprice uthi akofeke ukuthi umfazi angichayi. Mina ngingambiseli.
Right.
No. I was saying, which is just based on our principles. Jake, I was like, which is based off our principles.
This is what I'm saying.
It's self-defense. The term self-defense, does it apply in mawuchaya indoda kuphela?
Lapha selisibisela mache.
Ngicela umphendule.
Kanti wayibalekela kodwa ngasokuba imali siyakhuluma.
For us ibaleke.
Thina sikhuluma ngento ezi-practical. Things that we have power.
Yes, phela. I definitely have power over this.
But what is the consequence? Who wins?
Are you ready to defend myself?
Yes, but are you ready?
Now we are going the direction emfuna ukuya kiyo wena.
We all know how the world works.
Listen, it's not a consequence.
It's not like we're saying how the world works is fine. We're saying we understand.
Don't look at it as ukuthi umfazi. Umuntu came through a fist.
And your principles are saying
this bitch is gonna kill me.
Milo. And so, we're not saying you're wrong for defending
formula in a lay and to say, because if you put your hands on me, bro.
I'm fucking my chances on it.
Man, go kuluma. Ngiyakwazi.
I've never hit a woman.
No, lalelanin. Yabona line umbuzo lifuna siuphendule. Ngumbuzo like yi system esikhuluma ngayo. And si establishile ukuthi thina la asila ma answers ukuthi for system but thina into esilayo la into esingayikhuzana yona la
you have over
yourself. Jay wena mawubona ukuthi umfazi yokutrap sharp ukuthi utshela izichome usharp ukuthi like abantu sinje singamajita akho sibe kwazi into esiyipreacher futhi nale ukuthi
Also, man.
into enjalo mayisenzakala bro ungathuli sitshele it's
Also,
fine.
maybe you guys are making the assumption that we're saying these things are as simple.
Exactly, because
We are
that's
not
why you
saying
put.
they're as
Because
simple.
you say in your words, you said intole is simple. Look inward. In your
Ngithe
words,
mina,
and it's based on
inkinga
principles.
zakho.
That's why my
Ngithe mina,
question was centered
inkinga
around
zakho.
into ikhulumile.
Inkinga zakho eziningi olazo nathi zonke. Ngithe eziningi look inward. But I'm not saying ukuthi these things are simple ukuthi umfazi engakuchingela ushaye ngepani walk away.
Because that's why bembuze njalo.
Ah.
I-conversation yet was directed by an example that we just read, MT. Okay, this is the situation, right? What's the best way to handle it and heal yourself from that thing?
The best solution is not retaliation. Retaliation makes it
The
worse.
problem is the solution you gave.
Zwana,
You
Zwana.
got to tell me now,
50-50.
it's a question of
Uyakwazi
identity.
ukuthi
Go back to
so much-
whatever you
Yikho
believe in.
ngikubuzile, 'cause
Ibhayibheli lakho lithi
Zwana.
umfazi akuchaya.
Mani, 2 seconds amfumphisa anyone into engiyithanda ngeconversation is imbonethi chiyeni and that's what's making i-conversation le ibe sharp si represent amalokuzenini amaviews abantu abaningi asivumelani and I like
Uyakwazi-
it.
uyakwazi- uyakwazi
Yikho
mina-
phela. Now I was asking on umbono wakho. Okay, fine, umbono wakho. Now let's apply it to
Right.
this situation.
That's-
And let's apply it to this situation. A example already. You say it is based on your principles. I have principles. I don't hit women. And this woman has hit me. Right. Now,
Wayihlala.
according to into ikhulumayo,
Wayihlala.
what's the best way? And that you
The
can.
best way is
Right.
accountability.
Right.
Why you-
What
Okay,
are you
man,
being
man,
accountable
man,
for?
man.
Talking about accountability. For years and years, Jay,
Eons.
and if voice yamajita has been taken,
Shrunk.
when all right, it's been shrunk when it comes to spaces where you have to get emotional, you have to get vulnerable, and then a man's voice is only loud when maybe countries going to war, we're looking for the next president, whatsoever. But on the other half, the voice has been shrunk. So I think it would be a good thing for men to actually go one up. I think it would make a lot of us feel better when we start having accountability when it comes to these cases. Another example would be the term paternity fraud. It exists. What is the consequence for paternity fraud?
I have no idea.
You have no idea because it's absolutely nothing. We do a DNA test. I find out 10 years later, mntwana lo akasowami.
We just keep it moving.
We keep it moving. Siyathathisana. Me personally, I would like to see that bitch go to jail. Some form
You're
of
right,
reparations
because-
have to be
yes,
made.
because it was my resources.
I understand
With
that.
imali yami.
Because so there's no
Nokugcina umntwana
systems.
ongazowakho.
There's no
Yeah.
exactly another nigga smiling like
With Rangwiri Kura. And don't find ungakhula kube le 18 years. So kuthiwa
Sesiyadinga
awuyiswe uyihlo nanya. You know?
he's looking for his yabo.
Yatshelwa
So-
lidlozi ukuthi ihambe
so,
edingweni.
Kuyaphupha
The
okungumfana.
conversation is uncomfortable, but what are we doing towards having a certain level of accountability when it comes to holding women accountable
Accountable.
for the heinous things that they do against men? I understand. There's women out there that put their hands on gents, bro.
Yeah.
Not okokudlala, like
Mpama.
crazy.
The problem is when
These
they
are
say
amanzi
gender-based
abilayo.
violence,
Karesi
they look it
amabhasi
from one
on-
side.
Karesi- male
Kareso
gender.
sponkoro labo sibhekana abafuna ukuphuma ebhasi omele sinathi nabo kuze kuchawa 4 because besaba
Bayesaba
ukuyabona
ukuya
abafazi
endlini.
babo. I'm tired, bro. I want to go home. When you want to stay here drinking.
Because you don't want to see
In that
No, I
aspect,
understand
Umailo
because yeah,
Intakhuluma
kuchiwa.
ngayo, there's a woman who posted a video on social media thinking she's going to get clout for it. Waqala yabona ukuthi yabona switch camera uthi okay iku selfie mode uthi okay I've been sitting at home worried sick then camera ya flip yatshengisa umjide semoteni elele wathi and this nigga has been in this car sleeping akangena endlini are his problems that bad ukuthi akangena endlini
Yeah, they are.
wabe vula umnyango
They are.
wathi wayehleze emoteni wathi I just need 5 minutes ukuthi njani
ngibe yi-one.
ngibe yi-one wathi so are your problems that bad ukuthi awungeke ukwanise endlini wathi no I just need time to be quiet wathi anxa ukuthi uzahlala emoteni vula umnyango ngangale ngeni wathi that's why awungeni Wabe vala umnyango sebhode sesiyangale, then the guy locked the door. The chats were brutal, man, to the woman. Of course, amanye advice him. I know. Listen, leave that man alone. Because the problem is, men go out to fight the world for their family, only to get home and
now
fight
fight the
with
family.
the family. Yeah, man.
You fight
So
for and
that's
fight
time
with.
in the car. Because most guys, decompression layer yabo indawo eziyi-2. It's the car.
It's the power.
It's it's the car, it's the bathroom. That's why guys take ages when they are taking a bath compared to women. And that's why guys babuya bephake behlale phandle because
Yabuzenzani man.
This bitch is crazy, bro.
because yabefuna decompress because okay, I'm from another one. Man, let me prepare myself for the next one.
Also, maybe that's what amachita needs. Ongama spaces go decompress.
The fact that siyakhuluma so. That's the first step.
This is what I was saying. But another thing that depresses, that would be depressing, Amachita, is to actively know that certain people will never be held accountable for their behaviors, but you are. Left, right, and center. You have to be held accountable for certain things. It's like a man is always expected to understand
That was a
someone.
spot I wonder.
And Karesi wena mcini, you can't. It's like it's wrong to say I don't want to date a girl that's fat.
But
Yeah,
girls can
body
say,
shaming.
No,
yeah,
but-
but girls can say, I
Yeah,
don't want to
understand.
date a broke man.
And
Yeah.
besides being broke, I'm not gonna date a short guy. It's out of your hands.
It's literally the same
Do you understand? You can't do that. You can't have preferences.
Ukuthi karesi
Mana pay and
thing. Land.
you can't
simisana.
you can't
China.
you can't have preferences. Preferences that are afforded to everybody else but you. And then there's a term, hey, this guy is being misogynistic, hey, whatsoever. What is the term? What is the term for toxic feminism?
That.
No, I just came up with that.
Liyakwazi ukuthi
Yima tinlandeli.
Madoda lingayidluli kakhulu point leya.
Yima tinlandeli.
Ngalithule mbijana.
Yima tinlandeli.
ngizwile.
Ask the
And
question
siyabuyela.
again, Milo.
What's the term for toxic feminism?
Asithule mbijana.
Ngicela ukunika i-answer ngathi ile PR ngani mfunga uthandwa but at the same time i-reality. Majenzi umhlaba lo needs cleansing a serious for amajita for mama futhi. We are considering ukuthi
See,
bro.
this is where the problem Gcini, is.
Mana ngiqedi.
We are awungaqedisi.
Mana ngiqedi.
We're talking about men. Do you understand?
Lalela.
Now, so umhlaba, that needs cleansing for men and the women. We're
Lalela.
talking about men. Can we?
Man, let him land.
Lalela bro.
Nah, not on my airport. No.
Asiphili sodwa. Asiphili sodwa lapha Milo. In as much as si addressile kuze nini. Wena i-first point oyenzile utheni wena? Awuzange wenza example ngomfazi ozithwele ukuthi ule choice.
Yes, but
then
it was
why
about
is it
men,
a problem mina mase ngikhuluma abafazi?
Because you are saying
yeah, just
you're
relax,
producing.
Ngekela ngiqedi.
Money,
Ngekela
yeah,
ngiqedi point
let him
yami.
land.
Ngekela
Yeah,
ngiqedi
ngicela
point
ngikhulume
yami.
Lenda ku-airport ka-price.
Point yami lende o-ara price lapha. Bro, umhlaba lo udinga i-cleansing for abafazi for amadoda. For some time abafazi bebe i-treatment that they beyithola back then. I don't want to get into detail because this is not about them. But whatever that's happening right now, so retaliation or feel kuze nini izinto ade zenzakala back then. I-toxic feminism yona le ekhuluma ngayo. Ungababuza ukuthi why bebehave ngendlela ababehave ngayo. Baza kupointela ukuthi kudala amadoda aye. Ongibisa kupoint ukuthi bro, i-retaliation vele would never be a solution to izinto lezi sizifesayo kathesi.
Can I fly and land, boys? I want to go back to indaba toxic
Back then.
feminism, boys. It's this. Man, I'd like to believe that amajita feminists naturally, not toxic ones, naturally. The only problem starts when people start believing that men and women are equal. You're toxic feminism. You get me?
Because akufani.
Akufani. Pardon? Oh, thanks.
Asekhulumela phansi la nto ufuna ukuba
Ngizama ukuba
demo.
nganingi demure.
Very dema.
Demure. You understand? Toxic feminism is the radicalization of actual feminism, right? And it's wild because that is actually shrinking the voices of men today. We are where we are today because there are women that believe that men and women are equal and should serve the same roles in society, which is not true, which has never been true. And that is the one thing that maybe we are not agreeing upon. Angisho, number one. Number two, sithe thina ngeshwa, we do not have the solution to systematic issues. And we can't then speak on issues about the system, knowing that it's a system that we can't change. Not that we don't want to, but we can't then have hypothetical chats, boys. To say hypothetically it should be like this. We're not fixing anything. We need to have chats that are practical to say, okay, my gents,
Milo kathesi.
Umilo mina, here's the thing.
No.
Umilo is not like inga yakhe lama issues akhe
Ayikho
are
justified.
unjustified.
Yeah.
He's right.
What the heck, guys?
When amehlo sebovu. But
Umilo sithe sikhuluma ecansini lapha ebengasakhulumi.
umelo uthi intombi yethi
Ebengasakhulumi.
you feel me? It's not like
Zwana
is
nje, when
feeling
you are
is
talking about the
unjustified.
world back then, what is some sort of retaliation, and right? Retaliation for what exactly?
No. Blawo, they are saying that.
So, because look at it this way.
Ama-social injustices on lawo.
Ayisenzakala.
I'll tell you this. Men and women are equal. We are not the same.
Yes.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
We are equal, we're just not the same.
Rephrase it. We are not equal, we're equally important.
Yeah.
Naga awushaya lapho.
Yeah, props to my. Yeah.
Number one.
You just said what I said in better English, but yeah, that's,
It's
That's what you're trying to say.
It's long.
I understand. So it's like look at it when look at the old order of things where men were at work, women were at home cooking. What did we achieve? Men built the world, bruh. Buildings. Now we have women trying to compete in these spaces. What do we have? We have people advocating in a parliament, people advocating for a flag for gay people. Where's my straight flag?
Like Nyamuzwa.
Like I'm saying.
Nyamuzwa.
Okay. Maybe
We
ukuthi
understand.
ngikhulumele phansi.
So it's like,
rice yakhe ile dobi le jemu siyakudla konke but
so it's
packaging.
It's like
Right, Len.
It's correct.
It's correct.
But the thing
Kodwa
is
awufani ubeke
kanjani.
kanje.
try picturing a world where men were left to the building and everything,
Because
and
there is-
women were left to excel.
That is what
at
Milo
home.
was saying. That is to address two different things. Like as dinga one like
Any episode.
any episode is separate. Yabo. And mina right now I feel like ngiyengunike impendulo
Mina, my gents, this is why I was saying.
ezaphendula into nale ekhuluma ngapha. But ngiyakuzwa.
Mina this is what I was saying ukuthi la lifuna si address ama issues that are systematic against the man.
Yes,
And I'm saying
and to acknowledge ukuthi men are systematically disadvantaged.
Of course. Of
Yiko
course,
sila-
you mina, unfortunately, if I wasn't
But
acknowledging that, I
take
would have
away,
said,
please retract your
fortunate.
statement to
Which one?
say no, it's the order of things. It is what it is. That is wrong, because the existence of these platforms such as these therefore becomes useless.
lapha sikhuluma amakaka ndoda.
No, but retract that statement. It's not right.
Do you know what I'm saying, bro?
Because
Mina,
it's
mina,
generally,
this
it's
is what I'm
generally,
saying.
it's generally saying
Do you know
no.
what- do you know
all
what-
right, this happens to men.
Do you know what the can of worms you
hard.
open when you then say, when you let that happen, you give irresponsible men a space. Yazi ukuthi ni kunje so mile kunje. I think
Sekungayi hours,
ngakade
bro.
sitsho njani. I think uBreezy. Athi
Sekungayi hours
You see,
sound guy.
Khala uyindoda.
Singafi say va 2 hours 1:30. 2 hours 30
Besithi
siyabhala.
thina Milo khala. Like khala dog. It's okay. Mo windoda khala. But ukukhala kwakho sifuna kube lokuyisolution phambili. You can't keep crying.
Plus yabona ni dog.
That's just yikho mina ngisithi yes, it's unfortunate. the man is disadvantaged. Sharp. What then do you, in this system that is against you, what do you have power over?
Asiqaliseni
you.
ngo-addressa khonokho.
And it's you. Qala kuwe, bro. Yes, umfazi ungamchaya uyabotsha. You don't have power over that. What do you have power over? Your choice of women.
I think
Yes,
the
umfazi
problem
uzamithisa umfazi and umntwana yabo ungamfuni. You don't have power over that. What do you have power over? Ukumithisa in the first place. Yes, awula mali because you drank it all because maybe social media pressure. What do you have power over? Your choices. That's what I'm saying. I'm not saying these things are going to solve everything. No, but I'm saying
addressa izinto ezi-immediate.
addressing into esikwaziyo that
Ngathesi
we
la.
can.
Sisuka la.
Sikhuzaneni la, because we don't want this to be a sob fest to say, hey, amadoda ayakhala, life is hard.
While ngikhuluma something bese assume question la ekhanda bese liphendula bese
ngoba wena
Uyakubona ukuthi
uyabona lapho
ayisiko yikho ngithule
You
ngiyachazeka
understand?
khona.
Mina my chat is in us crying because vele sisakhala. Kumele sikhuzane siduduzaneni siphushane.
Sibe practical.
Sibe practical. That's why I'm now saying good. Time leave your pride aside. Go get that shit job. Start somewhere.
Are you done?
Okay, buddy.
Are you done?
Right.
Man, I'm gonna shit on this guy.
Show Kevin Price. That's what I'm saying. Okay. We can't change the system.
But you
boys.
said you're done.
No, you asked if I was done.
And you said yeah.
Right.
Okay, all right. But
Yes.
anyway,
Wait.
Hi, Tula, mana.
Tula, mana. Listen, think.
Wait.
Are you done?
I'm still talking. Wait. Right, man.
Wait.
Hey.
Not my airport. Just call me my airport, man.
Don't let me put.
Yeah, go ahead, bro.
I think some of the problems men have are a result. Chetela to your left, to your right, mine. To your right, to your right, to your right.
We're right to go now.
Turn to your right. No, my right.
Our problems is now are a result of how other men react towards our problems. The first thing is you are going to be compared to the next guy. Uhlulwa yilokho, uhlulwa ngubani? The other problem is it will be downgraded. Uhlulwa ngumfazi. The next thing is it's going to be shunned upon. Uyisithutha.
You're useless.
The next thing is someone who advise you in a way yokuthi into le iyaphela into ye 2 seconds omele uyi-address khathesi iphele. And forget ukuthi into le it's a process. Yabo. Umuntu engathi Jack ngile problem enje. It's not a thing yokuthi I jump from hot water ngeqele emanzini akandayo. We have to prepare ourselves in such a way yokuthi amanzi lawana azasichisa ebelokhe sehla zakhudumali abe lukewarm then ebese qalisa ukuqanda. But we have to go through it. But then thina asiku-address in such a way yona lana yokuthi I know amanzi la azachisa and asazophole fast but azaphola. Yabo we address it entweni yokuthi Jack amanzi lawo ungathi azahlaqanda. You understand? So mina right now my chat is the problem ikithi khona, and I also saw it ngendlela akade sikhuluma ngayo. Yabo.
That's what I was saying all this time.
No, I'm saying ikithi in terms of how we address it to each other. Okay, right, ama problems eslawo amakho financial, emotional, anjho aqalisa njalo awami alento ezinje imali yonke enilayo but I can't solve this. When ule mali yonke when iyazenzisa yabo. The things that we say to each other and how we say them, because the thing is for a long time we've never really cared how we say things to each other as ama-gents, because ama relationship from one guy to another achiyene. Kulama-gents ukuthi like yabe ngumngane wakho, you know ukuthi uzakutshela into esharp then abe seqeda ekuchoka, you go home laughing. Omunye umuntu yabo no wena sikaze sihleke so but sungihleka. Yabo. Ngiyabe ngikwazi
hleka ugogo wakhe loyo.
Like this guy Utabani has been my friend for more than kathesi ngile ngile 33, right? 33 minus 5. That's how long we've known each other.
I'm sorry.
He's
When
the
are you
type.
proposing?
No, listen. Let me learn. He's the type of person ukuthi
Ayizwanga.
lalela. He's the type of person ukuthi ngiyamlanda. Ngimtshele i-problem yami, man.
Go ahead, bro.
He's the type of person ukuthi ngiyamtshela i-problem yami. Jake, le problem enje so. Whether be it financial or whatever, and uzangitshela something and ezangincedisa, be it into ezaba i-process or ezaba instant, and but next day, same relationship ain't like the same relationship I have with this brother. Vusa, uyangaba ngutshela price uyenzeni. Yabo, by that time ungambona sekhuluma njalo, I know ukuthi sengibele kuyi certain breakthrough. Now, this is how we cheer each other up. But now, if I get the same response from someone that I have no relationship with, yabo, it lands differently. Do you get what I'm trying to say?
Into oyikhulumayo vele like mase sithi tayini u summarize ngesindebele ngithanda isindebele
Ukwenza isifinqo.
ukuthi i-problem eyinye iyithi sisodwa singafakanga anyone. Indlela uBuddha sa responda ngayo to ama problems ami hamba etshela abantu yaba rude yabo, and njengamadoda sesiku position yana ukuthi sikhuliswe vele kuthiwa like kulezinye izinto uma lazazikhuluma kimi ezi offensive, but just because singamajita ngingamconfronta kuzakhanya ngani mina ngiweak yabona like nothing, but khona ukya yiko kwenza sizithole sesila.
Amajita, they're just a bunch of pussies, man.
Pussy.
I'm serious, because what do you mean uprice uyazo ukutshela ukuthi ngiwo akula mpuphu?
No, but
And then when usuyithatha usayifaka ebandleni. And abantu bangikhona bayifaka ebandleni in a way
look for help.
like no sidinga uncedo. Kuyahlekwa. Number 1. Number 2.
Unathiswa ni tiye ngayo. Tiye bana
Number
bakunike.
2, even umuntu angikhona ekuncedile. Anti sirelaxile so. Price yakho that day abana nje kusungasela mpuphu ngakunika. Ukhona omunye gawo wayiswela ukathamba mondli ya la ngamnika.
But trust me, joke njalo
Jake angicela impuphu kuwe Jake.
like thina sisodwa
No
la.
man, even isisodwa anti. It's like
It's not right.
There's like a surge in numbers of amajita that
Acting
help
like our fans.
abantu just so they can get a story.
I think in short umayilo into ayitsho ukuthi thina as guys we tell each other izinto ezistressayo, but how we address those things, that's what leads to what depresses us.
You understand?
Yeah.
And amankazana where they excel, I think maybe it's because they appeal a lot to their softer side, is rallying behind a woman and the girl child. That is one thing that they're unstoppable at. Trust me, slap a girl karesi and you're an entertainer.
It's shy for you.
It's shy for you. They're gonna cancel your ass. Because there's a lot of women that are gonna be rallying behind that woman. They don't need to be told, let's mobilize behind this certain girl.
Without even asking for context, they'll
Context,
just
they don't need a story. If something happened to another woman, they are there. They even have statements like a girl's girl.
You
I understand. And Tina, we don't have a man's man. We don't systematically rally behind another nigga when he's trying to do something. It's like it
easily gets compared to okay, what if a woman was in that situation?
It's like I wanna. What's the closest example that I can give you guys? I'll say, see Night Freak. Night Freak is easily one of the best artists to come out of Bulawayo and Zimbabwe as a whole. I don't think there's people that are making enough noise about that. Instead, Mina, as a teacher, I'm gonna see that and be like,
If anything, people are going to be drawn towards the shitty drama.
We understand. But trust me, if there was a female version of a Night Freak coming from Bulawayo, Chai Ibiza, fucking noise, bro.
It'll
It'll be noise.
Any problem, Mumbak.
Inkulumo lezi esizikhuluma lapha lezi.
Look, I think as gents, I mean, I'm big on accountability. We need to do a better job at.
Yeah,
Sure. Sure. I should. I'm the closer. We need to do a better job at being there for other gents.
Yes.
Yeah.
We need to do a better job at holding other gents accountable to say, yeah, no, but Milo, you're my bro, but there you fucked up.
You fucked up.
We need to do a better job at accepting accountability. When someone tells you, poison, you fucked up,
Vuma.
do you hear me? And you need to do a better job at holding you, one man, accountable. Because at the end of the day, your mental health is on you. That's just the honest truth. Sithanda singathandi. I-health le ngeyakho. Oba le ngculaza anti nguwe. I-health kabani ngeyakho. It's not the world's, it's not the woman's, it's yours. And it's up to you to take care of you. I think that was enough English for an episode.
Yeah.
I feel like episode yanamuhla
Be serious.
besifuna like mina bemfisa address like izinto eziseduzane. In as much as I understand ukuthi the system is messed up, we are still here to have conversations to address.
Maybe more conversations.
Yeah, more conversations
with more
to
gents. Get different opinions.
Even the lokuzeni labo mama bekhona
Yeah.
like let's have a conversation.
Chaos.
Sisonke yabona sizwanane but conversation
chaos mama not amahuli.
Yep. This is why you came here, poison. This is what you wanted.
conversation
Today you're serious, dog.
I-conversation enamuhla bengifisa and into engiyithandayo ukuthi sithe sesiyigoqa kadesi sesi understand
They
ukuthi
are plenty.
like yabo
They are bondy.
So kanta babe lama.
Ayakwazi okunye is guys. Some problems esilawo ala ma solution.
kuzakuthwa
We just need to talk.
kuzakuthwa ngiyakuvala
Bese simasaja ikwini ingqondo.
Bengakaqedi.
Ibe lapho ukuthi umgcini sefuna ukuthini.
bengakaqedi
Qedisa.
ngikhohliwe. But anyways, gents, conversation day,
Yeah,
sharp.
this is dope.
Shout out to Don Milo
This is
again.
dope. Shout out Milo. This is not the Milo we expected to get today. I'll be
Yeah.
honest, maybe no one's gonna say it.
Yeah.
This is Embreezy.
This is not the Milo we signed up for today.
Yeah.
But it's the Milo
Amanye
we got.
amanye topics
Dog.
one.
Kalo.
Because I felt like abantu baza crucify for like bringing stuff esingekho like useful.
Yeah.
Shout out
But
to you, bro.
shout out Milo.
Awe.
Shout out to.
Awe.
Thank you for coming,
Ukuthi
my boy.
siyakubona futhi next week. Obviously, I think part 2 lo
no,
so
part
since
three.
I Monday, Thursday, ne? Because you have a lot.
I
Whole
think
lot of
this
movement.
episode should be for paying members, boys. And we can just shoot a young skiveresh for the brews that aren't paying. Because this one is a cook, boy. This is part 2.
Sesingaqala sibe sinike bona for some time. Yazini ne? Part 2 lo. Sesinga
Siam Chopper.
yeah, for some time.
Siam Chopper. Because this was a cook, boys.
But I feel like again, we say sesingenzi
Ukuthi
just in
topic,
manner.
we were not doing justice to the
yeah,
cause.
to the reason why
Yeah,
we're
give it
doing this in the
lucky.
first place. Yeah, well, but Milo
Or maybe we release episodes on Monday for paying subscribers. Abanye bebukele nge-Thursday.
guys.
Yeah,
Mental
well.
health. Guys.
Mental health. A problem itopic ebesikhuluma ngayo. Ngathi besikhuluma
Ngekuku.
ngekuku lamakaka. Kuku kaka.
But I know.
But yeah, no,
Siyabonga kakhulu, gents. And shout out to the local or to our brands.
Yeah.
Gqokisiwe.
Yet.
Yabona lo.
Yeri stars.
Siqale ngobhutasi ngapho.
Sure.
Ligqokisa mbani ibhutasi?
My brother, my homie, Love Rich, not in Damufuti, stars 29 forever.
Mlafa.
No, what's up?
Shout out.
Never see me in anything else.
Achu.
Le ndanda I'm sure S29 empankeni.
Mina ngqokiswe this is Yet, ne? Yet Galo on
Yet,
Instagram.
yeah.
You guys should check him out.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure by the time drop episode le imagine sewe dropile. My details wonke our social media. Let's support each other, guys. Support the boys.
Keeper slate sigqoke ngoba yes, that's Bryce is rocking Combo Daily. Shout out Combo Daily.
Again.
Wabo is rocking ZKS Visit.
I think it is
Yes,
Kansila
Kita.
for into enqeda kuyikhuluma le emergency.
This is
Brand new advertising.
Brand new advertising.
yazi kulento eyangifilayo bro empilweni nani
Ukwenzani?
ukuchazwa like ukuskida kwezimoto
Sesihlulile lapho. Sakukhuluma kudala. Bye-bye.
Nothing beats subscribing to the BYO podcast. Survive depression. And your toxic co-worker.